Peace and love, African family. Peace, love, and sunlight. This is Ankeru from Jam Tours Africa family. And today, family, is a day family that we're gonna meet Canadian, Jamaican, actually in Kenya right now, family. I'm sure you guys might know him. He's actually popular online. He's the one actually fighting, for Africans that was sent away from under transatlantic slave. He's the one fighting to actually get us to get the right to abode, to come back to Africa, come back to any African country you want to come back to. You can come back without any actually restriction, permits, visa. All of these things need to be eradicated, family. We shouldn't be having this. Once you come from any part of the world where there was a history of slave trade, you should be able to come back to Africa and get things up and running quick and fast. You shouldn't have to go through all of this, all of these problems with immigration and stuff. It's just like they treat you like you're a foreigner. And your fourth and fifth parents was right here from here. Sometimes it's the same country you go, you want to stay in. That's where your fourth and fifth parents came from, was shipped on the slave ship from family. So, we're going to meet, this actually person. And, he's actually in Kenya with his wife. And he's saying that he has 2 kids. And he actually wants to actually check about schools and stuff, where to live. So, Jam Tours, actually, I'm in the Kiambu area. And, actually, living here, I like it, So I just want to show them around and show them what Kiambu has to offer. Place to live, place to work, place to play, and place to grow your family. So, this is Jam Tours Africa. I'm just waiting for One Love Africa to forward. And then, we're gonna go over there in Kilimani to pick him up and actually show him around, so he can feel at home, family. So, let's go. Like, share, and comment on this video. Let me know your thoughts, family. Let me know, when you're coming to Kenya, the apartment is there for you to stay. Jam Tours is here for you to take you around, show you around. Jam Tours is the tours. So, let's go. So, One Love Africa, here come. Where I say One Love? Yo, you not say nothing? If I wait for you too long, dog. Where you put on gurgle?
Yeah, just pull that away from me too long.
We not talk too long. No, we not talk too long. Argument gangster not prolong. Yeah, family, so let's go. Yeah, family, so just reached in Kilimani. My Jamaican brother is staying in one of these apartments, family. So he's staying in one of these apartments. I am just waiting for him to come. So one of these apartment family, I don't know which one, but it's him and his wife and stuff. So Jam Tours is just waiting for them to forward down, family. But just want to let you know, guys, that when you come to Kenya, Jam Tours is willing and waiting to take care of your family. So you can have a good time in Kenya, and you want to stay, and you don't want to go back to Babylon system, family. So, Jam Tours is here for you. Have no fear. Link up with Jam Tours. You've already set the trend for you. So when you come, you don't have to go through all the hustle and the bustle. You already do the hard, heavy lifting work for your family. So you just come. You just need to come now and lay the foundation in Kenya. It's what I say, family. So, let's wait on our Jamaican brother. As I was saying, family, this is what it looks like. The apartment them look like. So, let's wait, family. Let's wait and see. We have so much to talk about and discuss when he coming on to Kenya, because he actually want to relocate to Kenya. So right now we have so much to talk about, and we just want to link up, family, and actually discuss things and see how best we can move forward. As I can say that he's actually Julius, me there, man. I'm good, man. I'm good. Eh? You feel your camera? Oh, your wife. So you have a YouTube channel, man. Blood clot.
Message, my brother.
Yeah, man. Respect, man.
Yes, man,
Respect.
People.
Me I tell them about this. And I say,
Yeah,
yo,
man.
at this we are work pan, and at this we are push right now, family. So the man there behind it, and we want to share some stories with you guys and let us know, guys, about this thing.
Yeah, man.
Yeah. So let's go. Yeah, family. So I'm with my Jamaican brother and his wife, and we're actually at a school in Kilimani at the McKinney Schools, Junior Secondary and Cambridge School family. So I just want to show you around, make you see what it's like. So if you decide to relocate to Kenya, we have a very professional school that is here for you. So let's show you around, family. So this is like the community. The school is so big, family. It's so big. It's green. It's actually in nature. You know what I mean? So we are just at the admission section right now with my Jamaican brother. As you can see, this is what the school look like. It's they have another branch up top there. It's very big, family. It's very big. So I'm just showing you guys that if you decide to relocate to Kenya, you have a lot of international private school that you can actually, you know what I mean, get connected with and get your kid education if that's what you want, family. So this school is it's big. Hey, family, so they are a tour of the school. As you can see, it's very nice. It's a very nice compound. And trust me, guys, if you're looking to come back to Kenya with your family, we have all the nice schools for you. This is actually the bathroom for boys. Very nice. This is actually a classroom right there. This is what the classroom look like. Very nice. And here, yeah, family. So you know what it is, guys. You know what it is. If you want to move back to Kenya, trust me. You know what I mean? It's here. A few facts about Ethiopia. As you can see, family, let's go. Yeah, family. So this is actually the IT room.
No, our windows are quite clear.
Yeah,
Nairobi, you don't need AC.
very cool.
Where I am. Today's a warm day.
Yeah.
So this block holds your 10 and the 11. To sit next to the deputy, yes.
I know.
Yeah, family. So as you can see, this is like the playground, and that's like a chill area and stuff. And we have place for the kids to play. Yeah, family. So this is like a outdoor, and it's our entertainment center right there, family. And this is actually the kids here, as you can see, and the play area and stuff. Yeah, family. This school in Kilimani is a very good school, as you can see. I like what I'm seeing. You know, I hope you guys, when you come to Kenya, you can really actually, you know what I mean, look into this to bring in your family. They have a swimming pool right there. That's a swimming pool right there, as you can see. And this is actually the play area. As you can see, the play area is right there. As you can see, guys, this is the pool. Kenyan values. This is actually the pool area. As you can see, we are in Kilimani. Yeah, family. So, yeah, guys. So, you know what I mean, this is just to inspire you guys and let you know that you want to come back to Africa, you know, don't be fear. You know what I mean? Everything is here. Everything is here, family. So, you know what I mean? Let's do this. link up with Jam Tours. You can get a tour like this if you want to come with your family, and we can show you, you know what I mean, what is it family. So let's go. This is Ankeru from Jam Tours Africa. Like, share, and comment. Let me know your thoughts. Let me know.
And this is coming soon.
Yeah, family. So this is what it will look like. They're actually making this, you know, sports ground, and this side, family. This is the empty plot. They're gonna put it on, family. So yeah, guys, this is a very nice school. It's called McKinney Cambridge School. Yeah, family, McKinney Cambridge School. So big, so much activity for your kids to do. You know what I mean? So this is McKinney. Yeah, tomorrow Jamrock. Yeah, man.
Alright, cool.
All right, Howard. So we link. No say nothing.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
We love a camera, man. I'm gonna get one.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, you can get one for like
money.
$200, you know, $300. That's what
Yes.
they go for now.
I'm getting a workout.
Yeah, family. So that's another Jamaican brother in Kenya. Just a build the community and we are connect everybody that needs to be connected, so we can have that community family. So you know what I mean? That's what we're doing. So let's go. Yeah, family. So we're actually at another school. It's called you know, Kahanda School. Yeah, family. So you know what I mean, this is a different style, you know, very green, you know what I mean. This is like a nice college campus. So it looks very nice, family. Very nice. They have the school bus over there. And trust me, this is very nice. Let me say return. Yeah, family. So this is it, guys. I just want you guys to know that there's so much school, international school in Kenya, that people actually send this, the kids to Kenya to school, family. Like persons overseas. Kenya school system is very good, and a lot of persons you'll see send their kids to Kenya, you know what I mean, for schooling, family. So we're heading to the administrative department to get some information about this school. So let's go, family. So they have secondary school, inquiries to say straight, primary school straight. You know what I mean? So guys, let's go. We are in Kenya and we're searching for school for the kids. So when you come, everything will be sorted. A family, imagine sending your kids to a school like this in nature, you know what I mean? Lower primary. If it's here, it says lower primary here. Let me go and check inside there and see. Yeah, let me see. Yeah, fam, so we're trying to find the reception administrative department. Yeah, family, so we're actually at a place called Village Market. It's my Jamaican brother first time here. So you want to try the KFC?
Yes.
It's right there. So we're gonna just walk around and then we're gonna come back here. See the nice look. Yeah, I think it's like 150K. Last time we checked. Yeah, family. So they are a place called Village Market. Jamaican brother first time in Village Market. How you like it so far?
It's nice, man.
It's nice.
And the drive coming down here is very nice. Very
Drive.
peaceful looking, beautiful.
Yeah, it's his first time in the Kembu era. So I'm sure I'm in my favorite era right now.
Yeah, I'm really glad I came out here. Because being in Nairobi is nice, don't get me wrong. But being out here is a little bit quieter.
Quiet and cool.
Yes.
Yeah.
I like
Yeah,
it.
family. So as you can see, we're here in Village Market for the first time, and this is what it looks like, family. So, you know, continue watching Jam Tours, like, share, and comment on the video. You know what I mean? Let us know. You know, you need to get some signature on this.
And Kridea, yeah.
Yeah, Credea. So I'm gonna put the link in the description. you guys go and fill out the signature. We need like 5,000, you say, right?
5,000 signatures. Then I'm going to drive them down to Washington, D.C. and I'm going to be distributing into all the African embassies in Washington, D.C. to get us the right of a boat so we can come back to Africa without some cumbersome immigration procedures.
Yeah,
so
the right of boat only, it's only in Ghana, but it's like hidden.
Yes.
They have it in Ghana, but it's not open to the public. So we people, black people, African people, don't even know that something like that exists.
Sierra Leone has it too. If you have the DNA, you can get a passport. But no other country, it's very difficult. Even trying to come to Kenya can be a challenge. You can visit easily.
Yeah, visit.
But
stay,
to
try
live,
to stay to live.
It's a different
It's a different experience, family. Yeah.
Nice place.
Yeah, nice place. All right, family, let's go. Yeah, family. So we're actually in KFC at the moment. Our Jamaican brother, is trying. Want to try some KFC. So we're just here waiting for some Kenyan KFC. They say Jamaican KFC is the best. So we all gotta wait and see how the Kenya KFC is, family. So we're actually in KFC, and we just we're just getting some KFC, to test and try. So let's go. Yeah, family. So they finish up the KFC. So I'm just gonna actually bring them down on my side to show them a school, and to see their thoughts, what they think about that school, family. So let's go. Yeah, family, so we just link up our Jamaican brother who live right there, so inside my estate. And Julius, we see you like inside here.
Yeah, man, I could live in here.
Yeah, so
I could live in here.
our Jamaican Canadians say we could live inside this estate. So we're growing the community. And if you're watching this, link up with Jam Tours for the tour.
Yeah, if you're a family, definitely this is the place for you. Lots of kids in here.
Yeah, they can
to
see.
play with.
Yeah, they can see. Alright, family, let's go. We're going to Jam Rock now. Let's go. Like, share, and comment on the video. We are out.